Good morning, crap to cream. So today I've got the big girl in the air doing the annual service. Not done the K's really, but it is 12 months since I last did a service on her. So I'll just whiz you around underneath what I do underneath, and then I'll go on to top and then go show you what I do on top. So underneath, well, I'll get my torch. You got your diff level here. Check all your seals on your front axle just to make sure they're in good nick. Have a look around the steering. Check for oil leaks. Pretty good engine, this one, pretty dry. Underneath, prop shaft, drive shaft, grease nipple on the front, grease nipple on here. On there, so your grease nipple's on there, grease nipple in the back there, grease nipples on the back here, diff level plug there, drain plug down there if you get excited, gearbox level plug is just there, and the drain plug is underneath somewhere there. Sorry, there. Apologies, that's where the drain plug is. So, prop shaft, drive shaft, grease nipples, rear axle. So this is the track corrected one, the D-Wiz one. So this has a level plug over here. So just have a check around, make sure everything's in good nick, nothing's damaged. Yeah, that's the D-Wiz axle if you haven't seen it before. So this is the track corrected one for this particular model. Seems to work a treat. Check the exhaust mounts, reasonable, all good. Alright, and there's the oil filter, and there's the oil drain plug. So to get the filter off, you need this little tool here, which is a Ryco tool. So slip that on the back of the oil filter, and yeah, however it fits. There you go, fits like that. Take that off. 5 to 10 Newton meters tightening torque. Don't over tighten it. And now we'll move up top. Alright, now we've moved into the engine bay, so I'll whiz you around all the little bits and pieces inside here. Fuel filter. So there's 3 screws, 3 cap head on Allen screws to undo, one here, and one around the back there. Disconnect this, take this off, replace the filter, put a bit of silicone around the O-ring seal. I take this off and I vacuum it out. I don't blow it out. I vacuum all the leaves and the crud out of the top the way that it went in, so I don't push everything through. Coolant here, air filter here. Just undo these clips, there's 4 of them. Mass sensor is here. 2 posi drive screws, take that out, give that a bit of a clean, wash it with the correct stuff. Don't wash it with anything else apart from the old mass airflow cleaner, otherwise you'll contaminate it and it won't work correctly. Battery, you can check the battery. Brake fluid, clutch fluid, obviously the dipstick, and then the power steering is down here. Alright, so that just takes you a quick whiz through the engine bay about what to do up here. So on this occasion I did the coolant last year, so I'm not doing anything with the coolant this year. I only use Toyota coolant, best coolant in the world in my opinion, not sponsored or anything. Alright, so that's that done. I don't think there's anything else to go through. I'd check all the lights and windscreen washer, fill it all up and all that sort of stuff. So that's all the servicing stuff. Yeah, I think I'll move this out of the shed now and move on to the next little jobby. So hello again. This is the last one in the fleet to be serviced. So this is the jolly little Jumbuck. So it's all Mitsubishi running gear. So it's a MAF sensor clean, oil filter is below, underneath the alternator. That's just a screw off job. Spark plugs are here, just a quick change out on them. This engine's only been in for a short while, so it was overhauled by Jonathan, so all good. Oh, it's, yeah, power steering fluid, fuses, washer bottle, brake fluid, clutch fluid, and coolant level, which is down there, which is correct. There you go. So that's pretty straightforward, this one. Plenty of life left in the brake pads, so check those visually. Pads on the back are good, on the drums. So yeah, that's it. That's everything done now. Just got to carry on with my MG now. So July is usually the year, or the month, sorry, that I get all the servicing done. So that's it. In the cooler months, all done. If there's anything else I will think of that I will let you know, but say thanks for subscribing, thanks for comments, and yeah, I'll be in touch shortly. Bye for now. Good afternoon, crap to cream. So I'm now got the MG back in the shed, and the Ignition123 Plus distributor arrived, which is a Bluetooth connectivity to my phone. And I have sort of been searching around on various forums on the internet, and there is a wide range of curves and things available for this particular setup with the Supercharger. So I've gone to a couple of people who I have quite a bit of confidence in, and I've taken their curves and their maps, and they are within a degree of each other. So I don't think a degree is going to make a whole truckload of difference. So I've set them up now, and I've started the car already, and it already has made a difference. It sounds smoother, and it's really great to see the amount of information you have on the dashboard on this app. So there you are. You can see, hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. So you see the little red dot in the bottom left hand corner. That's because it isn't actually connected as yet. So I've just started up. Hopefully you'll be able to see everything has burst into life. So it's just under 1,000 revs per minute now, and it's on like 16 degrees for top dead center. That's the manifold pressure, revs, the volts, the charging volts, and then the amps, and then the engine temperature here. And here's the curve that I'm running to. So that's the centrifugal curve. And this is the map curve. So despite what I've been told about having to run, hang on, I just need to turn the choke off a little bit. God, it sounds so much better. So down the bottom end here, what people are saying is as you get into the positive pressure, then you start to knock off. When you go positive in the manifold, you start -1 degree, -1 degree timing to -1 psi. So on this occasion, right, I've remained everything level. I have got a couple of other maps that I've got. So these are the files, so you can see these here. So this is another one, slightly different, where you see that it's got -1 and -3 degrees crankshaft at different pressures down here. So I can easily just write that up to the distributor, and it'll change it as I'm going. and I can read what the distributor has actually got, and I can save the file if I find one that's really good. So this is yeah, really good stuff. But as it happens, I'm running this file, this one here, so that's what I'm running right now. So when time allows, I will take the car out for a run and see how it goes. So I can tell you already, right, I am the fuel mixture, I'm not sure whether you can see this, but that's at 12.5, 12, like verging on 13. It's a little bit rich, but that's fine. This is such a, from where the car was designed to the stuff you can get now is just incredible. You can see the advancing here up to 33 degrees now at 3000 RPM. Absolutely amazing. And then you've got lots of settings on it here where you can do, you know, battery 12 volt, 24-hour clock, and all that other wonderful stuff that you can see there. So yeah, you've got a truckload of stuff. And as long as that little green light down here is showing green, you're connected. And as you can see, the engine temperature is rising now. So yeah, I'll see it's minus. Yeah. Anyway, that's yeah, that's where we're up to right now. So I'll leave it at that, and I'll take it out for a run in the next couple of days when the weather's a bit better, and we'll see how it goes on a run. And if that's no good, I will try one of the other maps and then see where we go from there. But yeah, amazing piece of gear. Just, yeah, you can just type in what you want, you can edit it by going into the edit here. I'm not sure, you can't do it while it's running, obviously. Anyway, oh, you go into the tune mode, I think. So you can go into the tune mode. So you can play around with it here. Ah, okay. Yeah, I haven't played with this yet. But there you go, that's manifold pressure and crank angle. Crank advance, sorry. There you go. Alright, that's a, sorry, inlet pressure and, or in this case vacuum, and that's the crankshaft advance. Amazing stuff. Alright, we'll leave it at that for now, and yeah, as I get better at this and I do more stuff, I'll be in touch. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Welcome to the 21st century, and that's all I've got to say. Bye for now.